like a butt, and you talk like an ass without hemorrhoid cream. Was that too mean? 'Cause I don't care. No, I really don't. You're a stranger on the street, just leave me alone. If I wanted to talk, I wouldn't text on my dead phone. Yeah, my battery's actually dead. That wasn't a lie. That calling is for losers. If losers had a chance to have their mouths sewn shut, stop the stupid in advance. But I think they'd still find a way. They'd probably like, you know, do their sewn lips. And I'm not your baby or something. I'm better than all that. If this song is for the birds, then leave the cat calls to the cats. 'Cause these have some grace and like they're cute and whatever, you know? Like a cat is actually adorable. You doing it? Not really. But thanks for asking how I'm doing. I'm doing just fine. But don't ask me to back it up. I'm not some precious dime. I'm definitely worth at least a quarter. Like most girls. And I'm not a free show. I'm not a burlesque chick. If you want to see that, then stop being a dick. 'Cause nobody hears what you say. Nobody cares about your opinions today. 'Cause you look like a butt, and you talk like an ass without hemorrhoid cream. But you're looking good. Yeah, you're looking good. You're not really looking good, Mr. Charlie Sheen.